What up, what up, what up, y'all? Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day. Y'all ain't playing no games, y'all. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo using your phone, y'all. We are Easy Silent Hustle, but we are called Easy Silent Harvest for the month of October because we're doing videos every day. We're not going to stop. We on video number 3, and we got you today, y'all. I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. And we're going to get into the video. Oh, yeah. And if you want to see any type of video, please comment down below. And we'll try to get one of those videos in during this 30 days. I need the ideas anyway, y'all, because I'm going off the dome every morning. Like, every morning I'm trying to figure out what video I'm going to do. But I really need to start writing it down, y'all, because this is, I couldn't think of what I wanted to do today. But anyway, since I left my laptop at the house, my wife is getting her nails done. Why not do a video in the car? All right, y'all, so here we go. I'm about to do a video on how to create a logo using your phone, y'all. All right, let's get into it.
If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss.
All right, y'all, we back. All right, so what you're going to do is there's an app called Canva that you can use to create a logo. If I look sideways, that's because people walking next to my car, all right? But anyway, you're going to look up an app called Canva, which is right up here at the top. You're going to go ahead and download it on your phone and open it up. Once you open it up, you're going to come to this screen right here. All right, so we're going to create a logo. So click on logo. Once you click on logo, you're going to go down here and let's see, we're going to pick whatever business you have. They have sample logos for you, but we're going to build one from scratch. Let's go with restaurant. We're going to click on restaurant. They have sample ones that you can use where you can change the name to your business and so forth, and maybe change the colors if you like some of these designs. But we're going to do it from scratch, and they have some nice designs, you guys. But we're going to go from scratch. We're going to click on blank. All right, so once you get to this screen, go ahead and click on the plus sign at the bottom right-hand corner. You're going to click on plus, and then you're going to add either the image, a text, or a video, a sticker, illustration, whatever you want to add on, okay? But for us, we're going to just click on image, because we're creating it from scratch. And then we're going to let's click on images. I'm not going to upload an image. If you had an image to upload, all you have to do is go ahead and click on your image and you can upload an image, okay? But we're going to click on images and we're going to search for, let's go with a plate. I don't know. Let's do a plate. And we're going to hit search. And then we're going to pick one of these pictures of a plate. I don't know. Let's just choose this plate right here. Let me see. Let's just choose this plate. All right. And once you get on this screen right here, you're going to you can click and drag it by touching the 4 circles. You're going to grab the little circle in the corner. You're going to grab one of those circles and you're going to stretch it out. Okay. Go ahead and stretch it out. You're going to bring it down a little bit and make it center. So when you pull it, you can move it back and forth to make it centered. So we're going to do it about right in the center, about right there, okay? So now we have the picture in the center. We're going to actually hit plus sign again at the bottom. Click on the plus sign, and then we're going to add a text. So you're going to hit text, and then once you hit the word text, you're going to hit add some text of your own, okay? We're going to create our own text. And right here, we're going to actually write what we want it to say. Let's say our business name is, let's say Easy, because I always use Easy as all my business, Easy Cafe. All right, so once we click on Easy Cafe, we can click on it and we can drag it where we want it to be at. We're just going to put it right here now until I figure out what I'm going to do with this, okay? We're going to change the image, the wording of it for sure, the font of it. We're going to change the font. We're going to put the drop down arrow where you see font at, where you see open saying, that's your font. Go ahead and click that. There's a font that starts with BAB or something that I like. I don't know. I can't think what it is, but I know it's BAB. We're going to scroll down till I find that font. Let's see, what was it? There it is. Bang Bang Outline. Bang Bang Outline. There we go. So we're going to do the font right here, Bang Bang Outline. Right here, we're going to actually change the color of it. And what you can do is bring your own color. Put whatever color you want. We're going to add a color. We're going to put red in there or something. Outline it with red. I'm going to leave it right there for now. Check mark. And then we're going to make that logo a little bit bigger, that text size bigger. So we're going to do it something like here. All right. We're going to leave it right there for right now. It looked kind of plain in the back, but so I'm going to go ahead and add maybe a fork in my image. So let's go to images again. Let's go ahead and type in fork and search. Let's see, let's use this fork. You guys, with the crown, that means you have a pro, you have to pay $1 for the picture. But if you do not see a crown on the picture is free. So we're going to use the crown right here. I think I lost my picture. I'm going to bring it right here. I'm going to bring it up a little bit, and I'm going to bring that plate back, you guys. Let me do this. Let me do the plate, and then let me add the fork at the same time. Okay? We go to images. We're going to type in fork. And then we're going to type in search. Y'all, I'm doing this from scratch from the top of my dome, y'all. I'm just doing something. All right, there are the 2 pictures. All right. All right, so what we're going to do is I pay for the pro, so I'm able to make the image transparent. So we're going to actually, I'm able to make the image transparent. So we're going to actually click on the image. And when you know you got the right image, you actually see all the circles, the circles around in the four corners, okay? Click on that image. And then up here at the top where you see the 3 dots, we're going to click on that with the 3 dots. Then we're going to click on this shaded area right here. Not the shaded area. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm saying it right. Once you click on the 3 dots, we're going to click on this shaded area. And that's your transparency. So we want this, we don't want to see the white background in the back of the fork. So we're going to zone it out a little bit like that. But we're still going to make that image just a tad bit bigger, okay? So we're clicking and dragging the image again. All right, now I'm going to go to that plate. And you see how I got it highlighted? I'm going to go up here at the top as well. And I'm going to hit the 3 dots. And then I'm going to hit this square thing. And I'm going to do the transparency on that one. I actually think I like the picture. I'm not going to change that transparency. I'm actually making the picture bigger. All right. Now, do you see where the words are behind this picture? So what we're going to do is we're actually going to click on the words. And the word is highlighted. We're going to come up here at the top and we're going to hit those 3 dots again. Right here, we're going to actually bring it forward. How you bring it forward is the arrow up, which is the center one with the arrow in the picture. We're going to click that up. And it's bring it forward. That's actually to bring the image forward. We're going to make it bigger. Something like this. We're actually going to center everything. So let's go ahead and bring all the pictures up a little bit. Let's see. Let me make the image big right quick before I do that. I'm going to center that fork. This fork is centered. And then I'm going to come up and I'm going to center the plate. I may not center the plate because I kind of want the fork in the middle. Let me just make this image a little bigger. And I'm going to actually make the fork a little smaller. All right, we're going to make that fork a tad bit smaller so it'll fit in the plate. And then we're going to click and drag the words up. All right. I mean, it's okay. It's decent, but I'm just, the image is decent. I just wanted to show you all how to create a logo real fast. Let me click on the fork again and do a more transparency. So I'm clicking on the fork, and then I'm gonna click on the fork, and then I'm gonna click on, after I click on the fork and highlight it, I'm gonna click on the 3 dots. I'm gonna hit that button that's shaded again that I'm gonna show you again. I'm trying to see how well, because I don't want the fork background. So that's what I'm doing. Put that plate on right there a little bit more. All right. Now I'm debating on where I'm putting my, there we go. All right, so now let me see where I'm put the word cafe. I wonder if I'm gonna keep this the same color. Let's change this color right quick. I don't know, it's kind of rough for me, but we're gonna just change the color. Nah. Green. Nah. All right, let's stick back with red. Let's stick with red, y'all. All right, check mark. Now, on the color, on this words right now, while it's highlighted, you can scroll down at the bottom and you can make the word centered to the left or to the right. We're going to keep it centered. You can also make it italic by clicking that. Also, you can make the text bigger or smaller. All right. And you can also space the letters out. So if you want to space it out, we clicked at the bottom. We space out the letters if you wanted to. All right. And then from there, we actually going to, I mean, it's not the best logo, you guys, but it's a decent one. We're going to go ahead and download it. All right, y'all. This fork, I don't like this fork. Let's change this fork again. Let's do another image. And if you want to get rid of the image, all you have to do is click on the image. Once you click on the image up at the top, hit the trash can. Okay? Now we're going to hit add again at the bottom. And then we're going to go ahead and select another image. All right, let's choose image again. Go to gallery, fork. Shoot, let's do a knife. Let's change it to knife, you guys. Let's go with, let's go with this knife. So we're going to choose the knife instead. We're going to come here. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to do the 4 corners, and I'm going to make this knife just a tad bit longer. And then I'm actually going to make sure I put the wording on top. Let me type it again. All right, so we're going to clip, make it behind right here. Now we could use another color. All right, y'all. I know I'm taking a long time. I'm trying to make this thing perfect, but we're probably not going to be able to make it perfect. Hold on, let me do something like that. What about that, you guys? All right. I like that one better. All right, it's decent enough. It's all right for the video. Okay, so let me just do this and stop going overboard with it. All right, so that's a good one right here. We're going to go ahead and download it, and let's see what it looks like. We're going to download it. Up at the top, hit the button. Now we're going to hit Save As. Once we save as, you guys, please use transparent background. Transparent will take out that background where you have a color or any type of color in the background. It'll take away the color as well. Same as we was doing with the transparent on the plate. It's the same thing. We're gonna go ahead. So now we won't get that black square around this whole. I'm sorry. Now you won't get that white square around the logo. You don't want that white square in the background. All right, so we're going to hit download, and then this is where it come in at right here, save as, and you're going to put transparent background, okay? Then you're going to download the image. Once you download it, it's going to be in your gallery, and there's your logo. All right, y'all, so that's how you create a logo using your phone, y'all. It's not the best logo, but I was just showing you how to create a logo using your phone, y'all. On Canva, we got this. We're not playing no games, y'all. I'll let y'all know a video I'm going to do tomorrow. I have no idea, but I know I got one coming. We're going to figure it out. Until next time, y'all, be easy. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let me know what videos you want to see. I think I already said that. But anyway, we out. Peace.
Silent hustle, yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy.